Just once. I want to be on top.
Nope. At my house, you're always on the bottom.
Disgusting sounds not necessary.
Look at this head! Holy shit, it's so big! You must drive like 300 yards with this thing.
And then the balls completely filled my mouth.
Well, I told you to quit drinking the bubble tea so fast.
I love Dick. He loaned me $100 yesterday. Totally got me out of a bind.
Oh yeah. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good right there. Oh wow, that was good head. Whew, you should be a bartender. Right on.
I love it when the tip goes in.
We do stuff that his wife will not do with him.
Yes!
Killed you with your own gun, you fucking
Fuck.
Oh, you're